Mayor Duggan's big push to lower auto insurance rates failed to make it through the House in Lansing last night.
Mayor had been working to get support before the vote, but in the end, many lawmakers on both sides said the bill wasn't a good fit for Michiganders. Today, the mayor spoke out about the defeat and talked about what's next. Let's bring in our consumer investigator, Hank Winchester, along busy Woodward Avenue in Detroit. What'd the mayor have to say, Hank?
And Devin, Karen, one thing that everybody agrees on, the mayor obviously included, insurance rates are too high. Let's take a look at some of the numbers. This information from AAA, a 2016 Honda Accord driven in Detroit, that driver's going to pay roughly $7,415 a year. Now take a look at some of the lower rates. That same car driven by somebody living in Vermont, they'll only pay $1,000 a year. The difference? More than $6,000 to drive the same car here in the city of Detroit. It is clear change is needed, and the mayor says it's still coming.
Auto insurance rates in Detroit, some of the highest in the country. And after last night's defeat in Lansing, don't expect a big break anytime soon.
Every month when I'm signing that check or making that payment to pay my insurance, I feel like it's not worth having a car.
It's a huge amount of money that I would much rather be using on other things.
Everyone agrees something needs to be done, but last night it didn't. Mayor Duggan was pushing a bill in Lansing, insurance reform. It failed to get the support needed, a crushing defeat.
The stumbling block was the amount of money being spent against us. You have people who are putting forward alternative proposals they know have no chance of passage.
Duggan's plan would have lowered rates and allowed drivers to choose one of 3 levels of injury protection. Those opposed said insurance companies could gain way too much control.
Last night was an all or nothing proposition, a whole bunch of reforms all into one bill.
The big question, now what?
All those people who voted no yesterday saying there's a better plan, now it's up to them to pass that better plan, because the reality was what we had yesterday was the one chance we had to get a bipartisan vote.
The mayor disappointed but not defeated. In fact, he says he is meeting with people tonight, having a working dinner, trying to figure out the plan moving forward. We're live here tonight in Detroit. Hank Winchester, back to you.
Well, Hank, when then might we see a new plan? Does the mayor have any guess on that?
Well, Devin, as you know, with politics, it's probably going to take a while. Nothing's going to happen this year. The hope is that possibly next summer, maybe next fall, another plan will come together. But he's waiting to see what the other side brings to the table first and then go from there.
So a lot of high premiums still to be paid between now and then, no doubt about it. All right, Hank.